Hey guys, what's up? And Samsung has released its two new smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy A8, not for the public use but for the review unit. So the Samsung Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus having the same design. The only difference in the both of the devices is the screen sizes. So the Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus having the 6-inch display, while Samsung Galaxy A8 having a 5.6-inch display. So the resolution of this both the devices is 1080p by 2220 pixels, and it's having the same 18 by 9 aspect ratio screen sizes which we can see on the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus. Samsung has given the Infinity display in the mid-range devices also, and it is the first mid-range devices from Samsung which will we can see that it's give the Infinity madness on these devices. Main highlighted feature in this Samsung Galaxy A8 and 8 Plus is this dual front camera. So the dual front camera is 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and what camera lens is telephoto lens, and one camera lens is the zoom lens. So you can see a live focus mode in the dual camera lens on the front, but you cannot see the live focus mode on the back of Samsung Galaxy 8 and the A8 Plus. So when you take photos or when you take selfies on the front, you can see a blurry effect on background like the Note 8, which we can see on the back of live focus mode on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So this is a very disappointing news from Samsung, that Samsung has not put a dual camera setup on the front on the flagship devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and give the feature to the mid-range devices. And yes, Samsung will bring it to the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So let's talk about the specification of these devices. So the Samsung Galaxy 8 and 8 Plus is having the same specification, but some two changes in the both of devices. So the changes are the Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus is having a 3500 milliamp hour battery with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, while the A8 having the 32 gigs of internal storage with 4 gigs of RAM and 3000 milliamp hour battery. Both supporting the fast charging and both having the Exynos 7885 octa-core processor, and it's having a Android 7.1 Nougat with the Samsung Experience 8.5. Both support micro SD card up to 250 gigs of internal storage, and yes, both having the dual setup, dual SIM card support, but not an hybrid SIM card. But you can put an one micro SD card and one SIM card for the dual SIM use. So both having 75 5.5 screen to body ratio, and both having the Bluetooth 5.0 setup. So the Bluetooth 5.4 is a very useful feature, and it extends the range of Bluetooth devices that can have the better quality. And if your devices of Bluetooth can support Bluetooth 5.0, then your can range can be higher and higher as compared to Bluetooth 4.2. So this is the first mid-range device from Samsung which having a Bluetooth 5.0, and in the future Samsung will bring it to the cheaper devices also, because the Bluetooth 5.4 is a very helpful feature in the Bluetooth devices which will extend the range of the Bluetooth to listen the music and for calls. For the rear camera of the Samsung Galaxy A8 and 8 Plus is having a 16 megapixel with f1.7. So this is the aperture, and aperture is very low. So the lower the aperture and it is better for low light quality. And the front camera is 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, which I'll tell you earlier, with f.9 aperture with live focus. And yeah guys, this is the news for the Samsung Galaxy 8 and 8 Plus, and I'm waiting for the Samsung both of 8 and 8 Plus because I want to review it and I want to unbox it as early as I want. But this is for the public, not used, but it's also for the review unit. And yeah guys, what will you think about this both of the devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know your suggestion about this both Samsung A8 series. If you get this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe the channel and ring the bell icon right to the subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates like this video. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.